Hey everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to to XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So OMG bolted like an absolute boss last night. It's been really frustrating, but it has been in a buy signal, which I did relay to the CoinsKid crew right there a few weeks ago in the Discord and on Twitter as well. It's absolutely bolted. It took a long time off this beautiful little buy signal just there. Remember, data not emotion. It has took a long time, and this is why I'm showing this, because XRP is currently in a buy signal. So currently, it's up 35% in 14 days. It did tap out on that wick all the way up there, around about 62% in 13 days. So it has personally been a frustrating trade for me, as is XRP at the moment, because XRP is crabbing going sideways and a buy signal as well. But this is why I'm relaying this to you, because this thing happens. You get your little buy signal, comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down. As long as you don't print that red signal, then this buy signal, data not emotion, could be a clue that you're about to go vertical here, within the XRP chart within itself. So again, we've just got to exercise a bit of patience. It's really frustrating, I know, but we could be on the cusp of a vertical for XRP. Now, please check out the Bitcoin video. If we are putting in a final fifth wave, we would expect another ABC correction, which could coincide with an ABC correction on XRP as well, which I did show you in a previous video, and that could be the last opportunity before a major move to the upside here for XRP and Bitcoin in the crypto market. So like I said to you, I've been looking at confluence in many of the charts. We have seen the Dow breaking all-time high. I'm looking at S&P breaking all-time high. I'm looking at the DXY breaking down, which it currently is. So everything's kind of playing out at the moment, isn't it? So long may it continue. I've been looking at this opportunity for a very long time. At the start of the year, I was looking at so many coins as opportunities. For example, this is why I'm covering XRP every single day. I did say to you, I'm looking at minimal 82 cents sometime in the summer. We got there, and right now I'm looking at 131 on the next impulse. We're not quite there yet, and I'm getting so many questions. Will we get there? I honestly don't know, but it's just in the charts. This is all I relay to you. Equally, there was another coin that I looked at earlier in the year that's absolutely bolted. It was a meme coin opportunity. Let me show you that tweet right now, okay? So quickly, before I do dive into the XRP chart with you, I did make this tweet on January the 6th of this year on a coin called Bonk. So I was looking at meme coin opportunities, low cap gems, because obviously if Bitcoin's in a massive bullish impulse, then we should be looking at, poo coins, basically what they call them, and meme coins especially, doggy coins, cat coins, whatever, is the opportunity. So this was a low cap gem. It had just come out, I think, and then it bolted and had a massive correction. So I did say in the tweet that chuck some change at Bonk. Finding the next Shiba would be nice, CoinsKid crew. This is a spot position, not FA, no guarantees, good luck. I did get a lot of negative comments on this particular tweet, a lot of no way reply guys, but personally I jumped in. I did get a couple of the CoinsKid crew that did buy with me, and I've received beautiful message off them, and I really appreciate them, by the way. Thank you very much. So this has been an amazing opportunity, and like I've always said to you, opportunity never feels like opportunity. So I'm looking for an exit point on this particular coin. I'm not necessarily looking at the price action and the waves. I'm looking at the market cap, looking at similar situations with meme coins before. For example, Shiba, I think it tapped out around about 12 billion. I think this is bolted to roughly 2 billion at the moment, so it might have around about a 5 to 6x from this current state. So I would not necessarily advise buying at this point. You should have been buying way back earlier in the year, all the blood and fear basically, which is something I kept relaying to the CoinsKid crew right there. So long may it continue. Hopefully we'll find other opportunities going forward in this space, and I'll deliver them messages to you. Okay, so let's dive into the XRP chart right now and see what we can see. Look at XRP on the hourly time frame. We've broken out the bump and run pattern, haven't we? Like I said to you, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. We're looking at 5-wave counter the other day, and this is played out like a boss. So always look for 5 waves. For example, just there, there's 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, 5. So you've got 5 waves in there. So this increases the probability of some kind of correction at this point coming back down. Okay, so if you're looking to go long at this point because you're coming up, that's the wrong idea basically, because at the minute you've got 5 waves, so you're increasing the probability of coming back, just like the 5 waves coming down. You're increasing the probability of coming up. It really is simple. This is what we look for as confluence to a trading, in the micro time frames, or the macro is 5 waves. It's called the 5-wave counter. Equally, we need to see bullish divergence or bearish divergence to increase the probability of that particular coming in. So you can clearly see we have got 5 waves with a bearish divergence, so that the probability of a short has increased here, because what we've got is a higher high in the price action and then lower high in the RSI. Look at that. So we've increased the probability of a drawdown after 5 waves up. Do you see? That's really simple technical analysis, and this is something I teach in the space. 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, 5. Okay, so because of the bearish divergence, we're actually coming in right now. So what I'm looking at in confidence to Bitcoin, if we do start to see Bitcoin correct after a final little push up there, keep an eye on the Bitcoin chart, then in theory we should start to see a pullback here for XRP, just to retest support before eventually getting to the God candle back test and that white line, which is a target I'm looking at. Okay, so we're riding the waves here. We're doing really, really well on XRP, but the macro standpoint that I'm looking at for XRP at the moment has not changed. I think that what we've got here at the moment anyway, providing we hold, this ascending level support going forward, is a massive horizontal that we've come up into. The bullish case is this: we've come up in a beautiful impulsive move, and we're going left to right in a horizontal, getting compressed, looking for expansion. So I'm looking to break that white line. I think the minute we take out that white line, we will see a vertical in the charts here for XRP. Okay, so if you can just be patient, just wait, just keep building positions on the ascending level support, put your stops on the previous pivot lows right there. In theory, we should be looking for that expansion to the upside relatively soon, because we're getting really compressed in this massive horizontal. This particular horizontal is no different from this particular ascending triangle, where we traded all this ascending level support over the many weeks. It's really, really frustrating. I remember all the reply guys and no way and things like that, getting really frustrating, and equally other coins are pumping there and things like that, but all of a sudden XRP just broke out, didn't it? So again, your macro support for this ascending level support, this massive horizontal, is this low here. So again, we've been building beautiful positions in XRP all year, and right now this is a negation of your massive horizontal 05748. If it breaks down below that, then I'm completely wrong, and this is not a horizontal, it's some kind of A, B, C zigzag correction. It's going to start to come down, and at that point I will start to flip and sell XRP. If we start to drop below 05748, that's your macro stop loss at the moment for this huge horizontal. Compression leads to expansion, left to right, getting compressed, looking to break that white line. I think the minute we break this white line, that's a very, very powerful go signal from XRP of a big vertical in the charts to a target around about $1.31 that I'm looking at. It's not a number I've made up out of thin air, it's a 786 fib retracement, okay? And I've gone through this so many times with you as to why. So, we're looking at other coins breaking out, OMG, if EOS, so many other coins, but it is getting really frustrating with XRP, and this is typically what we do see in XRP. It's a laggard, it's sort of the last stock to move, and when it moves on its own and things like that, and it sort of takes some of that liquidity out of the market right there. So if we can just apply a bit of patience, we're getting really, really close to this potential big breakout towards the end of the year right here for XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Remember, you can go long, you can go short, it's entirely up to you, but right now building positions on Bybit, BitGet with your stop loss on this macro pivot low to negate the trade going forward. Okay, hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, bye bye.